Jammers, congratulations, it's spring! Happy update! April Fools! And here, it's a cruise ship party, and you can go to the spring festival because it's spring. It's almost Easter. I can't wait. I cannot wait to have Easter. Yeah, baby. Easter rocks! Yay! Easter! And, also, here you could go Lucky Castle. Oh my god. But St. Patrick's Day is over. There are some baby eggs to hatch baby animals. And so, I'll make plushies today. So, I'm busy making plushies. I'm just making a Windows XP plushie. And it's so cute. And everyone will cuddle it. And I'm making an XP and Vista plushie in real life. He has hands and feet. Cute. So, there's another fox. And a llama! Oh, goodbye, llama. And a goat. Spring! I think. And look. New lemur. I have a lemur already. Oh. Oh, sorry. I don't have a crocodile here. Crocodiles are here, but where is he? Okay, so, oh, where's everybody? So the summer carnival is coming soon. And I am so excited. I'm so happy. I can't wait. Woohoo! And happy Easter. Okay, goodbye. Thanks for watching.